Actually, now it is running. I'm going to show you how to put the cane and how the things come. Put the cane on. You show there. Close up, close up. All the control is over there and it starts rotating right now. You see it's rotating right now. Slowly, slowly he's owning the controls and it is rotating. We have done a lot of modifications. chop chop. Actually, I'm showing you the video right now, and it is functioning. You can tilt like this. Once it's going, you can tilt like this. That's what I was showing you before. And this is for the cane to put the basket. This is for the cane. This is for the cane, okay? And this is to push the cane bucket for pushing it away. So everything is working fine. I've tested this machine after producing it. It looks very very nice. I'm quite happy, and hopefully we will put it to field very soon, and you can see the field demos. And it is made here, and it is highly efficient machines made in India, designed by engineer from all over the world, by 2 3 engineers. I am one among the engineer who designed this. And then what I did, we used all the CAD software to produce them, using all the high technology that used for automobile aerospace industry, to put those software for making harvesting machines with the technology that is used for aerospace industries. So basically, we are taking the aerospace industry to farms, and then simplifying the machines so that less humans can interact, and farmers can have machines at a reasonable price. Right now, the machines are very, very expensive. Machines made Kubotas and John Deere case are very, very expensive, and it is not affordable by a lot of farmers around the world. And we are making those machines affordable for farmers at aerospace technology. It's like we are using a space technology to the farms. Means we don't use those things, but we use the same software, same laser machines, same machines at much lower traditional way, so that we can make machines which are much advanced at very low reasonable price for the farmers. If there is no farmers, trust me, there is no food on our table, and the food will cost way more. So we are trying to make it very affordable, where, as per the words of Bill Gates. Thank you so much, and then I will see you on my next videos with the latest machines that we develop. Actually, I don't represent any machines apart from my own manufacturing. So we design machines, and we represent and we sell them. Okay, guys, thank you soon. And if you have any special requirements for um, farm machines that you have to develop, you can contact me. I'm the chief designer of this ARB attachment, and be in touch. Thank you. Bye. Namaste.